Hi educators, my name is Amanda Weiria and I am the Manufacturing Support Manager at Webco Plastics. We are so excited to have you and your students join us virtually as we celebrate Manufacturing Month. In your students' creator kits, you'll find a postcard with several QR codes that they can scan on their phones or they can enter the link to our YouTube channel on their laptops. There are 2 video virtual tours that will walk your students through what we make at Webco Plastics, who we are as a company, and what a day in the life of a manufacturer looks like, as well as a video featuring one of our apprentices who would love to tell you about his manufacturing journey right from high school to Webco Plastics. We truly believe that everyone is a creator at heart, and we wanted to inspire your students to get creative. Each kit has a set of Wiki Sticks, and we hope that they will use their imagination to make something unique. We've made glasses, roses, little containers, and bracelets, and other little creations. They can use the link on their postcard to upload a picture of their creation as well as a little bit more information about it. We'll be giving away Amazon gift cards to the most creative inventor, our next generation problem solver, and the biggest out-of-the-box thinker. We are here to support you as you guide and teach the next generation of innovators. If there's anything we can do to support you, please reach out to me directly by emailing me at amanda@webcoplastics.com. We look forward to seeing what your students will create.